What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing my slime collection. It's not all of my slimes, but it's some of them. I couldn't do all because I'm not at my house. And I'm in a different location. And I'm in my kitchen. It's because I have all my slimes in the kitchen. Not all of them. Some are at my house. And yeah. So I got my backpack and some of the slimes are in here. You can't see them. Can't see all of them. I'm really excited about this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of my slimes. So yeah, I have 7 of my slimes. I'm putting my gloss on. Yes, I do have glosses. So now I'm doing some collections. First one I have is not a Flirt Noise Buddy. It may say Flirt Noise Buddy, but it's not. I actually made this. I made it and had to put it in this container because this is one of the only containers I have left. So it may sound like Flirt Noise Buddy, but it's not, I promise. Who are you saying hi to?
I'm doing good. How y'all doing?
Who are you saying hi to?
I miss you, kid.
Stephanie who?
I'm sitting on so long. I really miss you.
And yeah, that's, I like it. It smells like strawberries.
They don't realize how bad it is. Oh, pretty good.
And yeah, it does sound like Miss Pretty, but it's not, I promise. Next, I have this macaroon. There's actually a purple slime in it.
Well, let's go. I am taking my stuff. I love y'all. Happy New Year. Bye.
It's this. Oh, I haven't told you about the other one. Yeah, it's sticky. Why are you crying?
Because she missed Buster Rebecca's kids because they didn't need a babysit. They couldn't let them cook them around, which is exactly what she told them.
Jerry and the twins?
Yeah.
And Dub?
I don't miss Dub like I do them when they're 3.
I miss them.
Gets me attached to them and takes them away from me. Just like
How are you related to them?
they're my great nieces and nephews. They're like way down and that's a good question.
Yeah, that's the slime. It's sticky. You have to put it in the part with the filling. And yeah. Do you guys like the Ohana Adventure? I do. It's my favorite channel.
Yeah, very chilly today. We can thank the clouds for that. But as we go into January 2nd, we're
Me here it is right now. It's because my aunt and grandma are obsessed with the news. Obsessed. Not even funny. Obsessed. Okay, there's that one. There's this pink one, and it's not even a pink. It doesn't even show out pink. Are you guys good at Rubik's Cubes? I'm not. Sorry, I got off track. I just saw that laying there, and I was like, why not? Oh, and my sister tried giving me a tattoo yesterday. It didn't work at all. Or it kind of worked, Look, it's red, not pink. Look. So is it all like this? Container. No. And I actually didn't make these ones. I made other ones, but not the macarons. I think. Wait, I made the slime inside of this yellow macaron. Because I mixed my pink slime, my purple slime, and my blue slime. I just showed you some of my slimes that I have. You're gonna see them anyway. Yeah, I like that slime. But it makes me angry because it's not the same color as the container. I miss my best friend. Their names are Katie and Kendra, right? Okay. Yeah, I miss Katie and Kendra. They were my best friends. And Jerry was too, but he got on my nerves a lot. I miss them. I miss my great cousins. I think. How am I related to them, Mimi? Okay. And they're my cousins. It's small. I mixed my pink slime, my purple slime, and my blue slime. Probably already told you that, but I don't care. And the pink and purple are the exact same thing, but they're just different colors. Weird. This is seriously what I look like in class. Next is my slime. It's a clear. I didn't make this one. Oh wait, yeah, I made this one, but I just needed to use this container because it was one of the only ones left. Guys, that's so pretty in the camera. It's darker in real life, but it may be brighter than it actually is. It may look brighter than it actually is. Ew. That went wrong. Do you guys like me? Comment down in the comments down. Comment in the comments down below. Do you like me? I know y'all do. I can't make slime bubbles. Can you guys? That's my question for today. And I do film on my phone. I do film on my phone. And yeah. I'm gonna do part 2 to this where I show all of my slimes. And there's this one, but I'm not doing that one right now. There's this one. It's supposed to be on a yellow macaroon, but I put the pink on it. Yeah. I think I may switch. You know what? I'm gonna switch. Okay, you put you in here. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of yellow to it. There. Yellow. There, you can see it.
Oh.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. And here's my. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. There's things on the side that are holding it up. And I don't know how it fell or if something's holding them up. So, yeah.
It's off. You got it Band-Aid over her eye. No, dry it out so bad. Makes it hurt. So, she put it with her eye. She said, "Baby, throw it out."
You have things to do.
My holding the whole eye drop.
And she's talking like this because she has both palsy. She's talking like this. She has both palsy. I don't know what that is, but like, it's where you have like swelling and she had a talk on that side. And she was sick, but she isn't anymore. So, I'm not sick. I haven't gotten sick on camera, have I? I'll have to check all my videos to see if I've gotten sick.
Yeah. Lisa, when she had it, Ricky Blake, her friend was taking pictures of her hosting it and made the girls mad.
Her daughters?
Yeah.
Why?
She's lying to make them
It's a
mad.
butter slime, you guys have got to feel this. It's a butter slime and it's so soft.
She says,
I love a butter slime. I've never had a butter slime before. This is my first time having a butter slime.
I got the inside of my mouth and my tongue chewed up like a bitch.
And there's a super cute container that says it's a unicorn, you know,
I can imagine how it's gonna feel when
it's a
people come
fluffy
back.
slime, but it's a fluffy butter
I'm gonna
slime.
be rockish and shit. Jared laughed so hard, he's like, shut up, mommy.
Unicorn twinkle fluff. Unicorn twinkle fluffy slime. Bye guys, this is what I have for you today because that's all the slimes I have. I wish I had more. And I do, but I can't go to my house right now. I'm bored. That's what I'm doing.
What'd you say she heard?
And bye guys, that's all for you today. So bye. Bye.